Okay, I received this humidifier yesterday. I ran it all day. I shut it off before bed, which I'll explain why in a moment, and ran it all day today. So far, so good. It hasn't leaked. But the reason why I chose this one was it said it was top, here, if you can see here, top filling design, which I was hoping that this was just like one assembly and then the lid came off, but it's not what it is. So I'll just show you. So of course it's top filling, there it is. But see how the bottom comes apart, which I've had bad luck last year with another model. It ended up leaking, well, the whole bucket emptied itself. So top filling, you just take the lid, I like how you can choose the direction of the steam, and you can choose two different directions. If I could just do this right now. There, see how there's two holes. I'll turn it on. And then I really like the feature of these little night light settings. You can choose the color you want, or you can let it switch on its own. And here's the steam that comes out. You can have it just in one direction. I don't know if you can tell. I think it goes up about 1.5 feet, I'd say, on the high setting. And like I said, I really like how it has a colorful night light, and it switches. I think there's like 10 different colors. Or you can just choose one color that you want. And then of course you have your timer and your nighttime setting. But yeah, it's working pretty good. One of my concerns, well, two things I don't like: this little flimsy wire for the power cord. Now I had it connect directly to the wall, but this here, it became so hot to the touch that that's the reason why I unplugged it last night. Like, I don't know, it gets pretty warm. I don't know if it's gonna be an issue. So I decided to plug it into a surge protector. I don't know if that's gonna help with the heat or if it's just for surge, but this part here, it's still nice and cool. This is really hot though. Otherwise, it seems to be working pretty good. And like I said, so far, no leaking. I will update later if there's any changes.
It's a little hard to see, but there is a lot of mist coming out of this on the high setting. I usually keep it on low, which is still a lot.
Okay, so it's plugged in and switched on. It's high up, it's away from the wall. It's got water in, it's not past the maximum. And then we try to turn it on. No life, no lights, absolutely nothing. Rubbish, would not buy again.
Here.
I bought a new humidifier. Who knew you could be so excited for humidifiers? This one changes colors, so that's pretty cool. It's like a little nightlight almost. Come on, there we go. Love it.
Yay, humidifier! I'm president, I am a blue spoon, spoon.
I'm just wondering if it's normal that the mist is coming out of here. Is there something I should do?
I love this thing. Super easy to read, super easy to use. I love that these rotate independently of each other. And it's got a little aromatherapy drawer down here. Great product.
Yeah. Love it.
A person's fetishes reveal everything about it. People with more